Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set all pins in your Pinterest board to private if you'd like to keep your boards as well as the pins they contain private from the public here on Pinterest. So let us show you how to do it and guide you through it. Head over to pinterest.com, log into your account, and basically what you need to do guys is access your profile by clicking on it here in the top right corner. That is going to redirect you to that overview of pins, boards and collages. So head over to boards and access your board settings by clicking into that button here, and after that click into edit board visibility. And what you need to do guys is simply toggle off this feature here, show all pins, because if it stays turned on guys, all of your pins in your board will be visible, publicly visible to you and others whenever they view your profile. So if you'd like to hide these pins from your board and keep it private to share it, for example, only with your friends, simply toggle it off here to the right, and that should do it guys. Now let me toggle it on because I would like to keep them public, but that's how we do it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.